Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much for giving so much love on my Harry Potter videos. I am the aspiring teen, and in today's video, I am just going to tell you a few facts about me. Basically, I am going to introduce myself as to who I am. 2 months ago, I got this comment of doing a question and answer video, but then I thought that I am not that established YouTuber to do that. So I am just going to name this video as Get to Know Me, and I am going to just tell you who I really am and a few facts about me, because till now you guys must have seen me in skits and sketches, but today I really wanted to give an introduction video because I realized that while opening a channel I didn't really care about posting an introduction video, and I was too excited to upload a video, and I straight away went with my first video that was based on friendship. So I am really excited to tell you about me, and I hope that you are excited to know about me as well. So let's go with the video. Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to answer the basic questions which might have come in your mind while you were watching my videos. So my name is Aseem. Like, I am introducing you to myself. Like, you guys must be knowing me as the aspiring teen. And I study in grade 9 in India. And this is the reason why I have been so inconsistent in uploading the YouTube videos as well, because you guys must be knowing how hard ninth class is, and I'm really trying to cope up with my studies, and I hope that I become consistent. But next year I've got my boards, so you guys also have to adjust with me. But let me just tell you that I am planning for new content and new videos will be coming up soon. Okay, so some more facts about me. I am 14 years old, like currently. Today's date is 8th February 2021, and I'll be turning 15 soon in May. And my birthday is on 18th May. That is when I took my first cry, and I blow candles on this day every year. Now my hobbies and interests. Okay, so just like you guys must have noticed that I love to speak. I am really passionate about public speaking, and I love to express myself in front of everyone. And I really like drama, as you guys have noticed, must have noticed from my skits. Now, I also like to read and write. Now, by that, I mean to say, of course, I love to go to school, but I currently can't. But by that, I mean to say, just like people play with balls and bats, I love to play with words. By this, I mean to say that I am a poetess as well as an author. Now, I write short stories, and by poetess, I really write poetry. You can check out my pieces on Instagram, pieces of poetry, @boundless_thoughts. I made this ID 2 days ago only, so there are only 2 poems currently, but I'll be posting more. And also, I write blogs. Some of them are private, some of them are public, but I really like to express myself through words. And also, I am a big Potterhead and a John Green fan. You guys must be knowing me that I am a Potterhead by the 2 videos on which you gave so much love, and I really thank you for that. And also, my interests include, I love to paint and draw as well, though I'm not a good painter, but still I really love to draw, and so I draw, and I don't really care how my drawings look, and that is, I guess, what matters. Okay, so one interest I cannot deny is that I am a foodie. I love to eat. Now, I don't love to eat the food that is, junk food of burgers and pizza. I love them. But more than that, I love the Indian delicacies of street food. I love to eat pav bhaji, golgappas. I love to eat chole bhature and everything you would find on the street. And I must say that I am a chai lover. I love to drink tea. Although people say that we teenagers should not drink tea, but let me just tell you that India is the only country where you would find tea and mangoes, and I'm really proud to be an Indian for this fact, and I am a big foodie who likes Indian delicacies. Now, the next question which might be popping in your mouth would be, why did I decide to be a YouTuber when I was in ninth? Okay, so basically during the time of lockdown, when everyone was eating, sleeping and repeating, I got to know that from your stories and statuses, okay, that you were putting, I decided to do something innovative, and I decided to open a YouTube channel for myself. So it was a random day, and I was just sitting, and I asked my parents, can I open a YouTube channel? I really want to make videos and skits. And for my surprise, they agreed, and I decided to upload my first video on YouTube in June. I guess, if I'm not wrong, 6th of June, and that's how my journey of YouTube started. Although I really wanted to become a YouTuber when I was just in 5th or 6th class, but I didn't really want to become a YouTuber who would create skits and sketches and would speak. I used to watch those videos of do it yourself, DIYs, because at that time I didn't have the confidence to speak in front of the camera like I do. And yes, so this is the story that why I created a YouTube channel. And so it was like really quick when I created the YouTube channel because I really wanted to, and so I was allowed. I didn't really think much about the consistency. Okay, so another fact about me, I am a tall girl and I am 5'7.5", about which I'm really proud. And okay, so this was a very quick video in which you guys might have known some facts about me, because I expect that those 198 subscribers that I've got aren't my family and friends. There must be some strangers, and please make it 200 soon. And I'm just going to upload this video. But before that, I would really like to leave a message for you all that in this world, we have got more fake love and real hatred, and where people are really hideous and cruel. I would just like to give you the message of not capturing your dreams. Just let them go and be who you are, because people are going to speak ill about you. They would stab you behind the back, but you really have to prove out for yourself. And people say that it's okay to be okay, but I say it's not okay to be just okay. You do not deserve to be just okay. You deserve to be the better and the best version of you. So sending lots of love and happiness, and keep smiling, stay happy, and I'll be bringing new skits to you soon. Thank you, stay safe. Bye.